Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. Now you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research on how to sell other people's products online. Well, you're in the right place, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain exactly how you can go about selling other people's products online. Now, this YouTube channel is dedicated to people getting started or looking to find success in affiliate marketing. So click the subscribe button down below and don't miss out on any new videos. They're uploaded weekly. And let's grow this channel as big as we can and help as many people as we can. Also, if you're interested, if you click the link in the description below the video, you can get access to my 4-day free video training series. Lots of tips and helpful hints on how to get started in affiliate marketing. So, how do you sell other people's products online? Now, the process of selling other people's products, these are products that you don't own, you're selling them to other people who are looking to solve a particular problem. When you sell these products, you get paid a commission. It's known as affiliate marketing. Now, the first thing you would need to do is to find a product to promote. There's several industries that you could go into. There are hundreds of thousands of products that you could promote. The big areas, the big three: health, wealth, and relationships. The health section or niche has got lots of subdivisions. Covers weight loss, diet plans, exercise, bodybuilding. The wealth section: make money online. Also stocks and shares, cryptocurrencies, work from home, that kind of area. And relationships: people are always looking for partners or how to maintain a relationship. And there are lots of places where you can find these products. Affiliate networks or marketplaces. The big ones would be ClickBank, JVZoo, Share a Sale, Warrior Plus, or Amazon Associates. These are all massive websites with hundreds of thousands of products to choose from. Next thing you need to do is to build a simple sales funnel. A sales funnel is an industry term for the process that a customer will go through from initially finding you online and all the steps in between to making a sale. I know the sales funnel is where you can actually start giving value to the customer in the form of value-driven emails. These can be in the form of useful information or free training, anything that gives value to the customer, the visitor, in the area that they were searching for in the first place. The next thing you need to do is drive traffic to that offer. Traffic, again, is another industry term that covers eyeballs on your business. Every business needs people to come through the front door, and for an online business, you need people to see what it is you have to offer. So when you've got your product to promote and your sales funnel built and you're starting to drive traffic to your offer, this is the most important part of the process, where you get to cultivate a relationship, build a rapport with your audience. And this is done in the form of, that I mentioned before, value-driven emails. And now the idea of these is that you're constantly giving valuable information to the customer, and it's gently pointing them towards the offer that you're promoting without a heavy-handed salesman approach, constantly sending them to a sales page, which doesn't work. It may have worked 10 years ago, but people's buying habits have changed now. So this idea of cultivating a relationship and building a rapport, this is where it gives you the chance to get the customer to know you, gets them to like you, and most importantly, to trust you, because someone is much more likely to buy from you if they actually trust you, that they know that you're reputable and they believe in what you're doing. So that is the most important part of the process. Now, is it easy? Is affiliate marketing easy? Well, no, it's not easy. I mean, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it and we'd all be millionaires. But that said, it's not difficult with the right training, the right direction, and most importantly, the right support. And now, I mentioned earlier my free video training series. If you want to click the link in the description below this video, get access to that training course. There's lots of strategies in there that will help you get started and on the right road to finding success in affiliate marketing. So who is it for? If you're brand new or just simply confused with the overload of information from watching YouTube videos, or if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while but we're struggling to make sales, then the course will definitely help you out. Who's it not for? It's not for people looking to get rich quick. Affiliate marketing is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. You do need patience to build a business, because this is a business, so it does take time. It's not for lazy people who are not prepared to take action, and also it's not for people who are not prepared to invest in themselves and their education to learn the skills that you'll need to build a business that will pay you for the rest of your life. Now, I hope all that made sense and I hope you got some value from that. If so, give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And don't forget to hit the old subscribe button down below and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear what you think, get some feedback. And if there are any other topics within affiliate marketing that you'd like me to cover in a future video, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you and I will certainly sort that out for you. So that's it for today. It's been good to talk to you. I hope to see you in the next video. Good luck now. Bye-bye.